I'm Vince the VHS Tape. I was born in 1976, so I'm getting old and worn out, but I have a lot of good stuff inside of me. Birthdays, high school football games, graduations, and weddings. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why you need to digitize your magnetic tapes. Number 1, magnetic tapes slowly lose signal over time. Number 2, they stopped making the machines to play back the tapes many years ago. Number 3, you can watch and share your memories. Stick around and I'll tell you more. Back to reason number 1, the magnetic tapes are slowly losing signal. A video recorder uses a spinning head with an electromagnet to record the video and audio signals. The head spins at 30 revolutions per second, and the tape moves past the head at just over 1 inch per second. As it spins, the record head magnetizes the coating on the plastic tape. The spinning head also includes playback heads that can read the magnetic signal from a previously recorded tape and convert it to video and sound that your TV can show. It is an impressive technology when you consider all the mechanical and electrical coordination that has to occur to record or play back tapes. The downside is any magnetic field can influence the magnetic charge on the tape. A very strong magnet can instantly erase a tape. Radio Shack used to sell magnetic tape erasers. Weaker magnets slowly erase tapes. The Earth's magnetic fields, which allow compasses to work, are slowly erasing all magnetic tapes. Most experts agree that the lifetime of a VHS tape is about 15 to 25 years, just based on natural decay from the Earth's magnetic fields. Powerful magnets inside of TVs, stereo speakers, and electronic motors can decrease that expectancy. Reason number 2, the machines required to play back the magnetic tapes are going away. Even if the signal on your magnetic tape is still strong, you may have problems finding a working machine to play back the tape. The last VHS VCR was manufactured in 2016. All other videotape formats such as Mini DV, Video 8, and especially Betamax were discontinued long before that. The parts and the expertise required to maintain these machines is also going away. Remember the complicated orchestration of spinning head and moving tape? Everything must be working precisely, and as belts wear out and capacitors leak, the odds of finding a VCR in working order are going down as time goes on. Number 3, you can watch and share your memories. Right now your tapes are sitting in a box or on a shelf slowly losing signal. You may not have a machine that can play them back. The content is most likely there, but generally inaccessible. The experts at Delaware Digital Video Factory play back and digitize your tapes, cleaning and repairing them as necessary. The audiovisual content is then archived on DVD, and digital files can be delivered on USB drive. This allows you to have multiple copies in multiple places. Give family members copies on DVD or USB, and back up your digital files on external hard drives or a cloud service. Your one copy on one tape has suddenly become many copies in different places that everyone can enjoy.